Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most detailed and honest reviews to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a close look at the PowerSmith PAVC101 10-amp ash vacuum. Whether you have a fireplace, wood stove, pellet stove, or barbecue grill, this vacuum is designed to handle the mess left behind by ash and fine dust. Let's see if it truly lives up to its claims and whether it's worth your investment. The PowerSmith PAVC101 is a specialized vacuum with a strong 10-amp motor, built specifically to clean up warm and cool ash from various heat-producing appliances. It's not just a regular vacuum. It's designed for a purpose, and its performance in this area is what sets it apart from traditional models. The vacuum features a washable and replaceable fire-resistant filter, which is a key element for managing the finest dust and ash particles that are often too small for typical filters. This filter helps ensure that the smallest bits of ash are effectively captured, preventing them from escaping back into the air. When it comes to construction, the PowerSmith PAVC101 doesn't shy away from durability. It's equipped with a heat-resistant metal hose and a sturdy metal canister, both of which are designed to handle the unique needs of ash cleaning. Whether you're cleaning out a grill or fireplace, the metal components ensure that the vacuum can withstand the heat from any residual embers and last through numerous cleanings. In terms of usability, this vacuum is surprisingly versatile. The 16-foot cord gives you ample reach, making it more than just a dedicated ash cleaner. It can be used as a regular shop vacuum, too. The wheeled base makes it easy to maneuver around your space, while the included attachments, such as the metal hose, metal nozzle, and various wands, offer flexibility for a variety of cleaning tasks. You get a brush nozzle, a turbo nozzle, and 2 straight extension wands, each designed to tackle specific surfaces and areas. These accessories are particularly helpful when you need to clean delicate or hard-to-reach spots like corners or underneath furniture. Now, how does the vacuum perform in real-world scenarios? In my testing, the PowerSmith PAVC101 handled the task of picking up ash with impressive ease. It quickly sucked up both cool and warm ash, without stirring the dust back into the air. When I used it to clean out my fireplace, the suction power was strong enough to lift the finer dust particles that tend to linger. It was particularly efficient on both flat surfaces and around edges, where ash tends to settle the most. Moving on to a barbecue grill, it handled the job with ease, clearing the ash without leaving behind any traces. The included attachments really shine here, especially the turbo nozzle. It's designed to pick up more than just ash. If you need to clear out larger debris, this attachment does a great job on hard floors and in tight spaces. The metal hose and nozzles give a solid feel, adding to the vacuum's sense of robustness and reliability. On the flip side, while the PAVC101 is certainly powerful, it's not the lightest vacuum in the category. It's designed with durability in mind, which means it's a bit heavier than some of the more compact options available for regular cleaning tasks. However, considering its specialized function, the weight is more of a trade-off for its strength and build quality. The noise level is relatively low, especially for a vacuum of this power. It operates quietly enough not to disturb anyone nearby, which is a pleasant surprise given its motor size. One thing to keep in mind is the vacuum's bagless design. The 3-gallon canister is large enough to handle a fair amount of ash, but it does require periodic emptying. This is not a vacuum you'll need to empty after every use, but regular maintenance is still necessary to ensure it doesn't lose suction or performance over time. When comparing the PowerSmith PAVC101 to similar products in the market, it's clear that this vacuum offers solid value for money. Similar vacuums in this category often come with smaller capacities or less robust filtration systems. If you're looking for something that can double as a regular shop vacuum, this model's versatility makes it a standout choice in its price range. It's priced fairly, considering the performance it delivers in ash cleaning and the extra features like the long cord and useful attachments. However, if you're primarily after something lightweight and compact for basic home use, you might find this vacuum a bit overbuilt for your needs. In terms of build quality, the PowerSmith PAVC101 impresses with its solid construction. The metal hose and canister feel sturdy and well-made, designed to take on heavy-duty tasks without faltering. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, though you'll need to regularly clean the filter to keep it operating at its best. The brush roll, while not as prone to clogging as with typical vacuums, does require attention when dealing with long hair or pet fur. Fortunately, the filter is washable, and the overall design is made to handle long-term use without falling apart or showing signs of wear too quickly. So, is the PowerSmith PAVC101 the right choice for you? If you regularly clean your fireplace, wood stove, or barbecue grill, this vacuum offers solid performance and durability. The long cord, powerful suction, and handy attachments make it a versatile tool that goes beyond just cleaning ash. If you're in the market for a vacuum that can handle ash and double as a shop vacuum for other tasks, this model is a great option. However, if you don't need a specialized ash vacuum and just want something lighter or more compact for home use, you might want to consider alternatives. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to the PowerSmith PAVC101 in the comments box below. If you've used this vacuum or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews from Reviewsinside TV. Goodbye till next time, and keep those ash-filled messes at bay.